Welcome, students. It's going to be page 6 of our Chapter 3 review packet. So, for 17, we're going to find out, actually, when I made this solution, there's not going to be a correct answer for y plus 8, because that's straight up 8. It's a translation, up 8. And when I counted this one, it's a translation of up 12. So I had to adjust it. None of the other ones, so there's no way this is a translation or this. I looked at this one, but P is supposed to go to B. So if it was a translation, that would be B up there. So that's not going to work. So the only possibility is graph 3, but they definitely messed up the number. It's not 8, it's 12. So I started eliminating it and found out there's no way that any of them will work. So, all right, so we're just going to say it's y plus 12. Okay, it's graph number 3. For B, y equals negative x plus 4. I'm graphing that right now. I'm eliminating graph 1 because it's clearly, CAB is closer to the line than QRP. So that's not possibly going to be the line of reflection. There's no way that this one's going to reflect over y equals negative x plus 4. So to graph negative x plus 4, I went to 4 for my y-intercept and then down 1, right 1. There's no way this one is. So if one is going to work, it's going to be graph 4. Let's see, so I graphed, I'm trying to graph that properly. And that's as close as I can get. Now, I'm just going to make sure A to R, B to P, C to Q are all perpendicular bisectors. Or the mirror is perpendicular bisector to all of those. Okay. So that line y equals negative x plus 4 is the perpendicular bisector for every pre-image to image combination there. Okay, so then the next one, E, is asking us to go up to graph number 1. All right, I'm rotating 180 centered at P. Okay, so when I rotate 180, I just count to my center, and then I repeat that. That's going to create a 180-degree angle at P from R to R prime. So that's definitely the rotation. And then I'm just checking R has to go to B. So I'm looking down here. R has to go to B. P has to go to A. So just make sure when you're looking at these that you're getting points that correspond. And it will be a translation. It looks like right 6, up 6. What they did on these graphs, they went by 2s. So that's why it's 2, 4, 6 across, 2, 4, 6 up and down. Okay. So that's why you're going to see it's going to be a translation of right 6, up 6. Even though it looks like right 3, up 3. They're going by 2s. I'm just showing the vector notation in case that ever comes up. You don't have to do that. Okay. You can keep it x, y, maps to x plus 6, y plus 6. That's another way to note that. Okay. So down here, y equals x. I'm going to try to sketch that. It's a little bit off. So A looks closer to the line than B, but that's because I'm freehanding y equals x. Okay, trying to do a little better with y equals negative x. All right, get the 45-degree there as best I can. And it slid up on me again. C to B. Hang on. So, I'm sorry about that. Let me go to the end again. Pause. Okay. So the reason C is mapping to B, notice that I'm drawing a path that's perpendicular to the line y equals negative x. And it does look like C to the line is the same distance as B to the line. What's P after the reflection of the y-axis? P is going to go to D, all right? So vertical line, horizontal path is perpendicular. There it is, Okay, that's the end of page 6 of our review packet.